Free beer. Let me get a cup.
Yo, get back here!
Time traveling, time traveling, time traveling.
Where am I? What did that fridge do to me?
I'm not even gonna ask.
That guy must have issues, bro, but like, I'm just gonna go because like, I'm scared, bro. I don't remember these flowers being here, bro. What is this? I'm gonna open this door, bro, and I'm gonna enter my house, bro. I hope my mom answers. Bro, who are you, bro? Like, what are you doing here? It's not Halloween today. You look exactly like me. Great job. Why are you in my house and why do you look like me but crappier? Why is there a homeless boy knocking on my door? This is not your house, my guy. Go scram. Why do you look like a rundown version of Barney?